How to use Grok AI step by step on your phone. First, download Grok from the Apple Store and open the app. Sign in or create an account if needed. Once inside, you'll see a chat screen. Type your question or request just like chatting with an AI. You can ask Grok to write video ideas, create YouTube scripts, generate captions, explain topics, or summarize content. Be specific for better results. For example, write a viral YouTube Shorts script about iPhone tips. To create images or videos, tap Imagine. Describe what you want, and Grok will generate it for you. You can also use voice mode to talk instead of typing. If the answer isn't perfect, ask Grok to rewrite, shorten, or improve it. That's it. Grok is powerful for content creators, scripts, and AI visuals. Follow for more AI tips.